It's Holla Ho. Mr. Hodge in the building. Yeah. Sway. Yes. Y'all ain't fucking with it. Not at all. I gotta know what you know. What you know about it? What you know? What you know about it? What you know? What you know about it? What you know about it? Nigga, what you know about it? What you know? What you know about it? Nigga, what you know? What you know about it? Nigga, what you know? What you know about it? What you know about it? What you know about it? What you know about trapping, boy? Some said I look like a square, more like a motherfucking trapezoid. I pushed work, I ain't bragging, boy. It's true story, word for word. It happened, boy. Shall I go into any more details? Probably not. That's why there's not receipts and street sales, nigga. And you don't know the ambitions and the motives. They got your boy in the kitchen with the soda. I ain't talking about the chaser, I'm talking the one that makes the soft come back hard, cause I'm talking about the paper. Whenever the cops start talking about a case, bruh, these fake niggas start talking about where they got their weight from. Wait up, I thought there was rules to the shit. And I'm MLB with the P, man, the dude can pitch. I got a smooth grip, they got loose lips. Just don't respect them, only one question. What you know about this, nigga? What you know about it's real life, nigga. What you know? Real life from the northeast, southeast, from the east side of Portland, the west coast, nigga. What you know reporting live. What you know about? What you know about honor, nigga? What you know about loyalty, nigga? What you know? What you know about true shit, nigga? Nigga, what you know? If you don't know about it, it's cool. Don't throw on fronts though. What you know about it? What you know about hard work? It's hard work. Just cause I live this life wouldn't mean I don't put God first. Just see things a little different cause I've seen monsters. Now I'm trying to see a profit cause I've seen contraband. Me and my mans divide and conquer. I'm talking ride like oxes, slide in boxes, nigga. Work hard for them big ass watches, so the girls with the big asses watch us. You figure deal, man? When I trick off on that bitch and for that I don't feel guilty. I'm just a cold ass nigga, feeling getting chilly. See what I would like to do is get a milli, then split a milli with niggas that's like my family within the city. See, cause if I'm on, then my niggas is. And if they gone, I can take care of them niggas' kids. Lord willing, gotta have no feelings when you out here dealing with gorgeous women while you're dope dealing. Yeah. What you know about that, nigga? What you know about staying on your P's and Q's? What you know about when the people watching those people and the people is you? What you know about it? What you know about it? What you know about it? What you know? These niggas friend for you. The cameras out, they act like they got hammers out. Nah, that ain't them. What you know? Let's go. What you know? Real niggas. What you know about it? Gotta know what it is and what it ain't. Gotta know where to trap. Gotta know where to hang. Gotta know where the camera's at and not to show your face. Unless you got the hammer, my nigga, you ain't really safe. Sway.